We're going to be doing tree diagrams, and your homework is all, notice that the whole week has been all in preparation for your map test next week. Leandro, I showed you this packet because I wanted you to take it out. Yep. Visual example. All right. We're going to be skipping around, and we're not going to do everything. Whatever we skip won't be assigned, right? All right. We're going to be on to page 8. So everybody turn to page 8. Thank you. Okay, page 8. This is a stem and leaf plot. It's kind of an interesting way to show data. So let's say I said, hey, how many, what do you call that in PE when you go back and forth? Pacers. How many pacers can you do? And then I asked all these students how many. And then I wrote it down, right? So these are all the pacers. Now, we're going to organize this. So, it is called a stem and leaf plot. The stem is your tens, and your leaves are your ones. Your tens and your ones. So, let's look for the smallest number. Which one's your smallest number? 19. So, 19 is my smallest number. So, which number in 19 represents my tens? 1. Which in my number represents my ones? 9. So what we do in a stem and leaf plot is we split up the numbers. We done? Yeah, thank you. Okay, so 19 done. What comes after 19? 26. So we split it up. What number goes in your tens? 2. What number goes in your leaves, in ones, I should say? 6. This is 26. 19. Okay, what comes after 26? Another 26. But this time, do I have to write the 2? No, because I already have the 2 represented. So for the 26, I'm just going to write the 6. I don't need to write the other 2. And then there's one more here. So another 6. All right, what comes after 26? 26, 26. What else? 33. Where do I have to create another line, right? 33, 3, and 3. Cross it out. What's next? So do I need the 3 again? Nope. I just need the 7. And then what else? 48. What else? No. What else? There's another 48 there. It's okay. And then 49. Okay. So do we see what we did? It's a very easy thing, but it's kind of confusing in a way. Like, Okay, I want to ask you a question. What number did I circle?
7.
No.
37.
37. I did not circle 7. I actually circled 37. So that is actually 37. Does that make sense? Okay. I want to know, what's the mode equal to? Mode is what? Most. Which one repeats the most? Okay. What's the range? How do I find range?
Big minus small.
Yep, big minus small, or minimum minus maximum. So the range. What's my what's my biggest number? Sorry. 49. Minus, what's my smallest number? No, 19. 19's my smallest. My 49's my biggest. Okay, what's 49 minus 19? 30. So my range is 30. Okay? So they'll give you a stem and leaf plot and they'll ask you random questions. The most popular questions to ask you is mode and range. All right, we're good? Cool. All right, let's turn to page 7. Let's go backwards. Página 7. Okay, a school conducted a medical camp for students. The data of weights in pounds of students in grade 4 are listed below. So this is how much they weigh. I'm going to circle this number. What number did I just circle?
58.
58. This number is really 58, okay? It's not 8, it's 58. Now, what number did I just circle here?
68.
Good. Okay, so we understand how to read it. That's part 1. Can you read it? All right, now let's answer these very, very difficult questions. How many students weight between 50 and 60 pounds? How many are these are between 50 and 60? I do not agree with 9.
4.
I do not agree with 4.
3, 5.
Okay, so between 50 and 60. Are any of these numbers between 50 and 60?
Nope.
No, these are all what? 40 something, right? What about this line?
Nope.
No, these are all your 60s, right? These are all your 50s. I'm looking for the numbers between 50 and 60. So it would be these. This is 51, 55, 58, 59, 59. So how many weights are between 50 and 60? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So between 50 and 60 pounds would be 5 students. It shouldn't be hard. Okay, letter B. What is the minimum? So look at your data. What is the minimum? Minimum. What was the minimum weight? Pretty easy.
40.
I agree. Very good, gentlemen. The minimum weight is 40. Okay. How many students attended the camp? So I'm looking for the total. How many students attended the camp in total? How many in total? Well, this was 5, wasn't it? 5. How many in total?
15.
Yeah, 15 students. All right. Now, number 2. Stem and leaf plot. These are the temperatures from Mexico. Okay, in Fahrenheit. So, let's see. What did I just circle?
69.
What did I just circle? Okay, cool. Again, can you read it? Basic. This is 69, that's 71. Okay, what is the minimum temperature recorded? What is the minimum? What's the smallest number?
51.
Good. Good. $51 degrees. Smallest. This would be our minimum. Our minimum. Our smallest number. Okay. What is the most repeated? Most repeated. I don't see a 1. I see a what? 71. This is not 1. This is really 71. Most repeated. How many days recorded less than 70 degrees? 70 degrees. All of these are less. All of these are less. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 days. Awesome. So which numbers are less than 70? Most repeated. The math is not very hard, but you do have to be able to really understand what they're asking you for. All right, very good. So that's called a stem and leaf plots. All right, let's go over to close your packet, and it's the last page. Page 14. All right. we're going to do a tree diagram, okay? We first did a stem and leaf, like in branches, and now we're doing a tree diagram. And it's actually pretty easy. So let's stay with me, and then you'll realize, wow, this is one of the easiest math days so far. All right. You go to the snack bar to buy a bagel and a drink for lunch. You can choose from a plain bagel, a blueberry bagel, or a raisin bagel. The choices for a drink include water or a sports drink. Sports drink meaning like a Gatorade or a Powerade, okay? How many different lunches could be made with these choices, okay? So how many different combinations are there, okay? So what we're going to do to figure that out is we're going to do a tree diagram, okay? First off is we're going to do a dot right in the middle, but all the way on the left side, okay? The vertex. How many choices did we have for bagels? 3. Let's circle them. Plain, blueberry, and raisin. So that's 3 choices, right? So I'm going to draw 3 lines. What is each line going to represent, do you think? Each bagel. So what's my first choice? Plain. Second choice? Blueberry. Third choice? Raisin. Okay? So these are my types of bagels. Plain, blueberry, raisin. Okay, if I get a plain bagel, what are my 2 choices for drinks?
Water and sports drink.
So let's show that we have water or sports drinks. So I can order a plain with water, or I can order a plain with a sports drink. Sounds delicious. Could I order a blueberry and what? Or a blueberry with? Raisin. What else can I order with the raisin bagel? Water. Or I can order sports drink. Okay. How many outcomes are there in total? So write this down. Total, there's an L right there. Total outcomes. Hold on. Okay. One of the questions they might ask you is how many total outcomes equal. So what does that mean? Sorry, I didn't realize that you couldn't see. Okay, total outcomes. Meaning how many different combinations are there that I could possibly choose? ¿Cuántas combinaciones? How many combinations? Yes, very good. How did you get 6? You're right. Where'd you guys see 6? Yeah. So right here at the end, this is, Mariano, where we look at. Here at the end. How many branches at the end, like a tree, do you have? So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 different combinations, so that's called 6 total outcomes. I can have 6 different ones. I want to know if I ask Neve what bagel she wants. She's not going to respond yet. I want to know what's the probability that she is going to tell me blueberry. So, how many times could there be a combination that includes blueberry? How many? No, it's Box and Whiskers. How many times is there a combination with blueberry? Your answer is correct with 2. How did he get that? 2. The answer is 2. So, Is any of these have blueberry? Nope. Any of these have blueberry? Yes. How many? 2. This guy. What did this guy order? A blueberry with water. And this guy ordered a blueberry with a sports drink. Any blueberries down here? No. So, these 2 right here include a blueberry. Estos dos. 1, 2 is blueberry. So, the probability that Neve is going to say blueberry is 2 out of 6. We have to write it as a fraction. Blueberry is 2 times out of how many in total? 6. So blueberry is 6. So I am now going to ask her, Neve, what bagel flavor do you want? Be honest. Oh, yay, we got it right. Woo. Okay. So, blueberry. Okay, I want to know, the next person I ask, don't answer this. I'm going to ask Emily. Emily, no me digas, what would you like? A water or a sports drink? Okay, that's the question. No me digas. Piénsalo. What's the probability that Emily is going to choose something with water? What's the probability that she's going to choose water for her lunch? How many times is there water? 3. So water would be 1, 2, 3. I didn't ask her about the bagel. I asked her about the water. How many times do I see water? 3 out of 6. Does that make sense? All right. Emily. Oh, yay, we did it. I should play the lottery. I've guessed correctly. Okay, does this make sense a little bit? Okay. Number 1 thing is, can you tell me how many total outcomes? And then maybe they'll do that. All right, let's do another one. We have time. Okay. When we got 50, a little bit less than 50. Okay. When you get ready to get dressed for school, you open your closet to find that you have the following choices: a red, blue, or white shirt, jeans or sweatpants, tennis shoes, or sandals. How many different outfits could be made with these choices? Okay, so first they give us tops. How many different colored shirts did they give us? 3. So that means I'm going to start on the left side. How many branches do I start with? 3. 1, 2, 3. What's our first choice? Red. What's our second choice? Blue. What's our last choice? White. Okay, now that I pick my top, what do I have as my bottom options?
Jeans or sweatpants.
Yeah. So I can wear a red shirt with jeans. I can wear a red shirt with, I'm going to write SP for sweatpants. Is that okay? SP for sweatpants? Sweatpants? Okay. Can I wear a blue shirt with jeans? Yes, that's what I have right now. I can wear a blue shirt with sweatpants. All right. What about a white shirt? What can I wear with a white shirt? Okay. So far, so good? Do we have another choice? Yeah. What's our last choice? Sandals or tennis shoes. So now we're talking about shoes. So top, bottoms, and shoes. Okay, so I could wear a red shirt, jeans, and then what? Shoes. How many shoes do I have? 2. So let's write that down. I can wear red, jeans, and tennies. Red, jeans, and sandals. So jeans with tennis shoes, jeans with sandals, right? But what if I wear sweatpants? What kind of shoes can I wear with sweatpants? Tennies and sandals. Good. But what if I wear a blue shirt? Does that change anything?
No.
Nope. So this is going to be tennis shoes and sandals. And this is going to be tennis shoes and sandals. I'm going to start abbreviating. You can too. It gets kind of tight. Tennis shoes, sandals, tennis shoes, sandals. So, do I have a lot of things to wear? I have a lot of different combinations, right? Look at all those branches, those ends. All right. What is my total outcomes?
I got 12.
12.
How'd you guys get 12? What are we counting? The ends, okay? To find your total outcomes, you get to count your ends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You have 12 different combination in clothes. So next time you go, Mom, I have nothing to wear. She can pull this out and go, you have 12 days of different outfits that you could wear. Cool. Okay, ready for some hard questions? What's the probability that I'm going to wear something with tennis shoes? So what's the probability that I'm going to wear something with tennis shoes? Here's Miss O'Malley. Hello. Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot. Let me email you that. Okay, thanks. Bye.
I got 3 over 12, yeah. Yeah, I got it wrong.
Okay. How many tennies? 6 out of what? 12. If you got 6 out of 12, very good. So, you can see tennies, tennies, tennies. Right? All those are tennies. Todos tennies. Okay. What's the probability, ooh, this is harder, of wearing a blue shirt? What's the probability of wearing a blue shirt? The answer is not 1. How many times do I wear a blue shirt?
4. 4 or 5.
How the hell did I get 12?
Is it 5?
All right. Okay. Blue is here, right? But is this the only time I wear blue? No, I can wear blue jeans with tennies. That's 1. Blue jeans with blue shirt with jeans and sandals. That's 2. Blue jeans with sweatpants, tennies. That's 3. Blue shirt, sweatpants, and sandals. How many total times do I wear a blue shirt? 4 out of 12. So you look for the blue, but this is not just 1. All of these have something blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of those have something blue. Okay. Let's see if you guys can do this one. Ooh. Okay. All right. How many times do I wear jeans? How many times do I see jeans? A combination with jeans.
I got 6, yo.
Jeans. Here's jeans, right? But jeans with tennies, jeans with sandals. Jeans with tennies, jeans with sandals. Jeans with tennies, jeans with sandals. And then, right? So, how many ends? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Andrew, let's not get people in trouble by calling out their name, because then I draw my attention to what's going on with Mariana. All right. Okay. Last question of the day. Page 13. We're going to go to Del Taco or Taco Bell. What kind of choices in tacos do they offer? They offer crunchy and they offer soft, right? All right. Raise your hand if you like crunchy tacos. Same. Raise your hand if you would order the soft tacos. What?
Dude, I don't want crunchy.
Bro, crunchy tastes like bun.
Don't, Jaden, don't mess it up. Okay, all right. I'm
like
a
Dorito
crunchy.
Loco.
Okay, now here are my 3 top. So I can order crunchy with beef, crunchy with chicken, and crunchy with fish. Or I can do soft with beef, soft chicken, or soft fish. How many total outcomes are there? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6 tacos that they're selling. 6. Okay, question. What is the probability of getting a crunchy chicken taco?
1.
Mariana? 1. Is this a soft chicken? Nope. Is this a soft chicken? Nope. This is the only one that's soft chicken. So what's the probability that I'm going to order a soft chicken? 1 out of 6. Or crunchy. 1 out of 6. Any questions? No? Okay. I'm going to pass it out, and you're going to stay in your seats. You're not even going to stand. You lost that.
Yo, I drank a monster this morning, so now I feel like jittery.
You drink a monster, and now you feel like what? I know Del Taco does. Thank you.
Kobe.
Annie, quickly. Let's go. Bye. See you tomorrow. Crunchy or soft taco?